If you ever lost a special pet, you've probably asked yourself, will the pain of this grief ever really go away? Hello, I'm Daniel, the creator behind the Guinea Pig Facts, and I want you to take a moment with me. After 5 long weeks of battling medical issues, the body of our beloved guinea pig Noodles couldn't support her anymore. During her last week, we were even hopeful for partial recovery, but unfortunately, she crossed the rainbow bridge. It's never easy to lose a friend who was always there to listen to you, a unique person who gave you a warm smile when you came back home. Those thoughts of losing those little things make us feel upside down, and we fear that we won't be able to make it alone. It might feel like you've lost your source of comfort that was helping you navigate through difficult times. But it's important to remember that feeling sad about this loss is normal. Those good memories that are engraved inside will be there as a source of solace. Feel free to share your experiences. Let someone know how important your pet was to you. Share the beautiful moments that you will always remember. Do not hesitate to talk with someone if you feel overwhelmed, because the memories of that special one will always be inside you. They will help you become stronger. I believe that every living thing on this planet is here for a purpose, and our beloved pet Noodle gave us more than we could have ever expected. Noodle was there when we needed her the most, and we tried to give her the most comfortable life as possible. She was very helpful to go through difficult moments. We miss you so much, Noodle. Thank you.
There's something about your eyes, something telling me a story. There's something about your smile, something telling me a secret, telling me that all the happy days just passed us by. Behind your eyes, there behind your smile, now